Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I truly appreciate it. We are going to be doing 3D strawberry nail art today. A couple of you all requested that I show you how to do the full strawberry nail, so that is what we are going to be doing today. We are first going to start out with a base coat, although I'm going to be honest, it's truly not needed. You don't really need the base coat. I did use it because I wanted the red glitter polish, to have something to stick to. But again, it's not needed. You can go right in with the red glitter polish if you'd like. But again, here I used a base coat. So we're going to go in with a really thin coat of this base coat right here. Just wanted to give the strawberry a little bit more texture and kind of life to it, and I just wanted there to be glitter, so that's why I chose the red glitter polish. Although you do not need it to be glitter, it can be a solid color as well. To go along with that, we are going to be using this solid glue gel that I'm showing you right here, and it does not move at all. It is solid glue. Once you start touching it, then it starts to loosen up a little bit. You can actually take this in between your fingers just like you would a piece of clay and roll it right into a ball or any shape that you'd like. I can tell you how much I love this solid glue gel. It is great to create texture, charms, really anything you'd like. This stuff is also great for silicone molds. If you have little tiny silicone molds, it's really good for the molds as well if you wanted to create your own charms. It's really great for that if you wanted to create your own custom charms. So this is the red glitter polish that we are going to be using today. It's just from Beetles. It's just a red glitter. Just because I wanted the glitter to have something to stick to, although I didn't really need it, I did add that base coat, and we are going to add, I think it's 2 layers of this red polish. We're going to start out really nice and thin. And then after we have that first layer on there, we're going to go ahead and cure that for a minute. We're going to take that out. And we are going to apply a second coat. And as you can see, as this red glitter gel polish is building up, it just looks so beautiful. I love this polish. Too bad that it's sold in such a small bottle. I was just popping in there to show you again what this little strawberry nail is supposed to look like. I am not going to be adding the leaves for this tutorial, although the strawberry does have leaves on it. If you wanted me to do a separate video, maybe a shorter video on here, I just got polish everywhere and don't mind that. I will do a separate video for you on the leaves if you'd like. But no, I did not create the leaves for this tutorial. I'm not even sure what happened here. I think that I put the nail inside of the lamp, and I think that it just didn't press, or it didn't go on. I thought maybe that it went on, or maybe I thought that I pressed 60 seconds, but I didn't. And I went on to go touching the swatch, and I swiped my finger up against that polish as you saw there, and I got polish everywhere. So I had to cure that for 60 seconds, clean that off my skin, and here we go, trying this again with this solid glue gel. So what I want you to do is you can take even your fingers if you don't have any tools. Just make sure you put a glove on, and I want you to see the thickness on top of the nail. I want you to have a little bit of thickness because we need to create some indents, and create some texture into the strawberry. So we need it to be just a little bit thick. If you wanted to form like a big ball of this stuff and just put it on there and kind of mold and form it on there, just as if you were playing or using clay, it would kind of be the same way. So by the angles, I'm trying to show you how thick this stuff is. It's thick, but it's not too thick. You saw that I didn't lay it on that thick. And no, you should not be touching this with your fingers, but because I have already, you know, played around with this stuff. Did not get an allergic reaction, so I don't break out or get an allergic reaction when I touch this stuff. But that doesn't mean that you will not. So please, please, please wear gloves when you are playing around with this stuff. I am now going to be taking the big end of my dotting tool here, not the smaller end, the bigger end, and we're just going to start to create texture. We're going to create those indents that you would see in a strawberry. So there isn't any rhyme or reason. There's no specific way that I'm doing this. I started off with 3 dots, then I think I staggered the next couple of dots. I maybe did 4 there, then I ended up doing 3 again, and then it's up to you how you want to, how many dots you want. Then I started to go down to 2, as you can see. So it's up to you how you want your strawberry to look. As you apply pressure to create the little indents, you are going to see the solid glue gel kind of slide out from the sides, and it's okay. All you want to do is just fix it back up again. This stuff is really forgiving, you know, so it will start to kind of come back together again if you wait too long. So I like to create those indents, and then I go right away with these micro marbles and place 1 micro marble in each little indentation, right? So those are going to represent the seeds of a strawberry. So I'm going to take a few out, and that's what we're going to do. And I might even go over it again with the big end of the dotting tool and go over each indentation just so that we keep that shape, because like I said, it's gel and it's solid gel. It will move, it just will move very slowly. So if you create that dent, you maybe have, I don't know, a couple minutes or something before it starts to kind of come together again. So when you create that dent, you want to do what you got to do and then get it into the lamp to cure. So as you can see here, I'm getting a little bit close up so you can kind of see the detail a little bit better. And what you want is you want to create texture. So this is what we're going to do. We want it to look like a natural, real strawberry. So that's why we're creating texture. You do not have to do this part at all, but I want it to look more like a real strawberry. So that's why we are creating the texture. I actually saw a video of somebody doing this, and I wanted to recreate it and kind of make it my own. So this is my recreation of that video that I saw. And I did do another video of creating smaller 3D strawberries. If you didn't see that, I'll link it below. But a couple people were asking for the full tutorial, or the tutorial on the full strawberry nail, so I thought that I would put this together for you guys, and I really hope you're enjoying it. So that's really all you're going to do besides adding a top coat now. Here are the 2 strawberries that I have created full nail. And on the left, I did create some leaves to go on the strawberry. You can create them or you cannot have them there. It's up to you how, you know, you want your strawberry to look. You could draw them on with some eyeliner as well. Or if you wanted more of a 3D look, you could create the leaves with just a little bit of solid glue gel, as you saw that we were using, and just a green regular gel polish. So take a little bit of your solid glue gel, mix it in really good together with your green, polish, and you'll have your own custom solid glue gel. You then create leaves, and that's how you do it. If you want another separate video on how I create the leaves, please let me know, because I will do that for you if you are not, you know, you don't really know how to create the leaves. Kind of similar as what we did today. It's a little bit different because you're creating leaves. So again, if you'd like for me to show you how to create the leaves, I'll do that for you. Just let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see that, and I'll get that done for you guys. So just let me know. And here are the strawberries closer up. I'm trying to get my camera's playing with me, but I'm trying to get good angles so that you guys can see how thick it is, but it's not really thick. It's still thin at the same time. I love how shiny it is because it makes it look like a real kind of organic strawberry. It makes it look like you were looking at a real strawberry. I just had a thought in mind, is what would it look like if we did a matte strawberry? Would it give it a little bit more texture? I think maybe next I might create some cherries, so please stay tuned for that. If you have watched this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.